guys, we are here in Bermuda. We're on a rich and jazzy life, 1.5 group cruise. We have just made it to port on the Carnival Venezia. And we're about to go explore the cruise.
Watch yourself, Sean.
Beautiful island. So we're gonna see what it's all about, okay? Okay. Here you guys, we made it here to Bermuda. Carnival Venezia. Carnival Fun Italian style. And we're just getting off the ship. Heading to Snorkel Bay Beach. Beautiful island, you guys. Beautiful water. Beautiful. We just saw Eddie and Terry. We're gonna meet up with the rest of the Melanin group at Snorkel Bay Beach and have a few hours there, fun day. And then we're gonna do a little things on our own. But here it is, y'all, the Carnival Venezia. And right next to us is Royal Caribbean's Liberty of the Seas. Yeah. So, we're gonna explore Bermuda, our first time here ever. And we're gonna see what it's all about. Okay. Starting with Skinny Boy Randy and Ronald. We here in Bermuda, 2023, Melanin at Sea 1.5 group cruise. We're having a ball, y'all, and we're just getting started. Bye. Okay, you guys, when you arrive, there's a short walk. It's not as long as I thought. It looks long, but it's not. But they also have shuttles for about $6 or $7 that you can take to get you closer to the port if you know, want to get there without having to do a lot of walking, or, you know, if you have elderly people with you and they can't do all that walking, go ahead and take the shuttle. But it's not really a long walk. As you can see, they have shuttles, taxis going everywhere. So we're just going to explore the main port. Beautiful scenery, buildings, different water sports going on. Yeah. So we're just gonna check it out and see what they have to offer. Okay, y'all, we're about to find Snorkel Bay Beach. And we've wound up going the wrong direction, but it's okay because we're going the right direction now. Okay. And there is an upcharge for Snorkel Bay Beach. It's $15 per person. So have your coins in hand and you will be okay. They also have scooters that you can rent. They have water sports. As you can see, the Carnival Venezia over there in the background. Did we lose a person? Oh, there you go. All right, y'all. So I'll see you when we get to Snorkel Bay. Okay, you guys. When you see the green footsteps, you know you're going in the right direction. They have green footsteps showing you along the way. Welcome to the cruise line. Here goes my guys, we're at Snorkel Bay Beach. There's a short line. Well, kind of a long line. $100 for 2 people. Well, for however many people you want to put under the tent. And I can't stand out in the sun long or I'll fall out. Okay. So we got the little tent. And it's nice and shaded. Beautiful beach. Beautiful island. They have cabanas, they have regular umbrellas, and they have full tents. They were just about to sell out of everything. I think we got the last one. Yeah, you guys. And this is Snorkel Bay Beach in Bermuda. We made it. Say hey to the people, Ronald. Ronald's over there chilling in the shade. So yeah, we made it to Snorkel Bay Beach, Bermuda. We are here, chilling on the Carnival Venezia. Hope you guys came along. If you did, you missed it. Hey you guys, we're at Snorkel Bay Beach. And we are enjoying the scenery. We have a private tent for the shade. And they were selling out of everything, so if you can pre-book, I would suggest you do that. It's full, but it's not full. I guess they know how many people to allow, so this is awesome. What's up, you guys? Mr. Carnival came already. You guys, I'm trying to get myself together. We are out here in Bermuda. Yeah. Everything is looking wonderful. We are vibing. We are doing it. We are going over here to the beautiful rocks of Snorkel Bay Beach. We're going to do a quick filming for you guys so you can see what's going on. Okay. Okay. That's how we do it. So yes, you guys, as you can see over here, we have chairs, lounges, all that good stuff. There's a warning sign to keep off of the rocks. So you might want to adhere to that. And we went to the other side of the beach and there was a lot of rocks there. So be careful if you don't have on beach shoes. So yes, you guys, y'all know I don't get in no beach water. Okay, all right. But we're gonna do it today. I gotta put my feet in the water up with me. Oh my goodness, there's a lot of rocks over here. Okay, that's enough for me. Y'all know I don't play with that beach water. Oh no. Oh no. Too many rocks. Too many rocks, Snorkel Bay. I can't do it. Too many rocks for me. So we had our group picture. We did it. We had a great group photo, you guys. But yes, this is Snorkel Bay Beach. People are doing the thing. See that? Yeah, we're doing it up, okay? So, let's keep following along. Keep growing your food and eating it. This your gardening with Skinny with Randy. Remember, live, love, laugh. Don't stop and eat it. You guys are the best.